All right, it is the last game of the season for the Packers here in Green Bay. Ooh, I'm hearing some fireworks. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I'm waiting to see if there's going to be a flyover. It's a day game, last game of the season. You would think they'd have one. Sounds like, oh, here they come. Right through the trees. Man, these suckers are gonna go almost over our house. Sweet. Oh, they are going to be loud too. Heck yeah, man. Cue the Top Gun music. That was sweet. What is up, everyone? This video not brought to you by Johnny Junk, but they are with me in spirit. So it is Friday afternoon. Happy weekend. And I have a couple things that I've got to take apart. First of all, look at this Goliath. That is a biggin, as they say in the industry. I also found a bread maker. I think that's what it is, by Magic Chef. I don't know. Oh no, wait. Oh no, it says add water, ice full. Oh heck. This must be an ice maker. Huh. What do you know? Well, that explains why it feels kind of heavy. I don't think there's going to be like a total ton of stuff in here, but it's all right. Now, the last video I didn't talk very much. Figured I'd mix it up a little bit. Might be a little chatty in this one, we'll see. Plug and wire. Okay. I had so many days off around Christmas and New Year's that I think this is my first full week back, and it kind of sucked. But it is what it is. Oh no! There's some some screws in here. Ooh, can barely get them. I mean, who knows? I may not even need to take them out anyway. But they're in a bad place. I was just running that heater. It's up to 52 degrees in here right now, but it was down to 38 when I first got in here. Okay, that didn't do anything. All right, you're gonna see on the bottom side of this thing, this thing has screws galore. Looks like a lot of these screws are holding holding on to this siding stuff here. I'm guessing it's stainless. Oh no, it's not. Well, that blows. Okay. So I've got a couple screws back here. Okay. Yeah. Steel. However, I'm not going to be too bummed because look what we got going on here. Oh man. Looks like that is stuck on. Maybe some adhesive. Oh wait, here we go. Interesting. I don't think I've ever taken it. I know I haven't taken an ice maker apart before. So why would anybody even have an ice maker this small? Like go into a camper or something? Here's a synchronous motor. Put that in my goodie bucket down there. Almost. Okay. And here's a DC brushless motor that will go into my motors bucket. that can't tell. I don't know if there's anything in that, so I'll just put it in my bucket to check for later. Goes the lid. Oh, really nothing on that. So, a little mini compressor here. Come on now. Don't want to waste too much time on crappy wire, but this plastic piece out of here. Oh, it's still not going to matter. So it was the little compressor that made this thing heavy. So this thing may have been scrapped out because there's absolutely nothing coming out of that compressor. Okay. Well, now we'll all know what's in an ice maker. Not much to it. Huh. There you go. Copper aluminum rad. That works. That is all plastic right there. Okay. This is really weird. This is like tin or whoa. That's crazy. This whole thing is copper. If you could see that or not. I'm thinking this isn't though. Oh, not magnetic. Check it out. Oh no. What the heck? That's brass. Huh. Well. Okay, so this little piece is copper, but this piece is brass. So I'm just going to put that in with the brass. In fact, I'll just put that in with my stuff that I'm going to melt. If I can ever get my forge working. Okay, what do we got here? That off. Oh, that's all copper in there. It's like a little copper spring or something. About that. Okay. Cut it like that. All copper. Now I have a bucket over here. I'm going to start. I already have another bucket, a bunch of number 2 copper, but I want to start a new one just to see how much I can get. Okay, so that's copper on the outside, but it's super magnetic, so there's obviously something on the inside. So we'll cut that open. Another piece of copper. So this feels like a solenoid. So that'll go in my bucket. So we'll get some copper off of that. Then what do we have here? Oh man, that's super magnetic. Would be a good scrap session if I didn't have all kinds of crap falling on the floor. Copper. Then this whole thing is copper. This is all chromed. Why would they chrome that? Seems crazy. Just saw a lady at work today. She was just leaving and said she's off all next week because she's going on a cruise. And so they have to fly down to Miami. And then from there, they go to Jamaica, a couple other places. And although she's excited for her vacation, she said 2 of her fears are flying and drowning in a boat. So she's got both of those things going on. Chrome plated copper. Okay, so is this thing gonna leak any crap? Yep. Got some oil in this. Little brass ends. That's just going to go in with my shred. That thing is way too small. That is not what she said. So that's basically it for this one. think I might cut one of those compressors open. Okay. Back down to 47 degrees. Gonna put a new blade on this and give us a little more reach. The smallest copper aluminum rad I've ever had. Oh, baby. Yeah, that's hot. It's got all those little balls in it. There's probably a screen of some kind in here. That's steel. I'm gonna finish cutting this thing in half. No, I'm just gonna cut the end off. Maybe that'll work. A little screen right there. There. I'm going to guess this is the magnetic part right here. Yeah. Rest of that is number 2. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Ever see a couple of hobos by a burn barrel?